Highest priced players in each IPL auction. Number 1 Mahendra Singh Dhoni for CSK. Number 2 Kevin Peterson for RCB. Number 3 Andrew Flintoff for Chennai Super Kings. Number 4 Kieran Pollard for Mumbai Indians. Number 5 Shane Bond for KKR. Number 6 Gautam Gambhir for Kolkata Knight Riders. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja for Chennai Super Kings. Glenn Maxwell for Mumbai Indians in 2013. Yuvraj Singh for RCB Royal Challengers Bangalore. Yuvraj Singh Delhi Daredevils. Please subscribe.